In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover ClickUp Docs and task history. If you've accidentally deleted a doc or need to bring back an older version of a task description, ClickUp gives you a couple of built-in ways to recover that information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to restore a deleted doc from the trash, and then how to review and restore previous versions of a task description. I'll also show you where to check general task activity, so you can see other updates connected to that task. To begin, open your ClickUp Workspace and click your workspace name in the upper left corner. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you into your Workspace settings area, where you can access administrative tools and recovery options. Once you're in Settings, click Trash in the sidebar. The Trash section is where deleted items are temporarily stored, so this is the first place to check if a doc has been removed. Search for the doc you want to recover. If your workspace has a lot of deleted items, using search can help you find the correct doc faster and avoid restoring the wrong one. When you locate the deleted doc, click the three dots beside it to open the item menu. This menu gives you additional actions for that deleted file. From there, click Restore. After you do that, the doc should be returned to its original location or become available again in your workspace, depending on how your setup is organized. Now let's look at recovering task description history. Open the task that contains the description you want to recover. This is useful if the task still exists, but the description has been edited, overridden, or removed. Hover over the task description and click the history icon. This will open the saved history for that description so you can review earlier versions. Select a timestamp to preview a previously saved task description. Take a moment here to confirm that you're looking at the version you actually want, especially if the description has been edited multiple times. Once you've found the correct version, click Restore this version. That will replace the current description with the selected earlier version. Finally, if you want to review broader changes on the task, use the activity panel on the right side. This area shows status changes, comments, assignments, and other task updates. It's a helpful place to confirm what changed and when, even if you're not restoring the description itself. That's how to recover ClickUp Docs and task history. Thanks for watching.